produced for you guys, for you.
No me importa que usted sea mayor que yo. Hoy la quiero en mi cama y no malinterprete mi intención. Que no aguanto la cara.
Another video. Welcome back to the channel. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy, haha, back again with a brand new freaking banger of a video. Make sure you like and subscribe and tell your family members that you love them and you need to borrow some money because you need to buy some merch. I was just kidding. I do not actually have merch for sale. Point of today's video. So I've been super into interior design and like office renovation videos. They just been popping up on my feed and I've been so into it. But primarily this YouTube channel, Constantine, I believe is his name. He does all the office video renovations for all the sidemen. Needless to say, I've been upping my content creation. Not individually, as you can see. My channel's dead, so trying to revive that really quick. I've been needing more of a more streamlined workspace, and I've seen these videos and I'm just like, I think it's time we renovate the studio. So I went out of my way and got some things to renovate my desk setup, my office setup, and I wanted to really just customize it to where it works best for me. And hopefully it works and it puts me in the right state of mind that I can pump out more videos in general more often. So I'm just basically going to break down what I did to set up the new office and how we renovated the workspace. Really quick, I'd like to thank the sponsor to our video, me. We don't have any sponsors today, so let's change that. How about you guys leave a like and subscribe and help your boy out. Come on. That's good. Can't even tell. What's going on, guys? So today we are remodeling. So you can see the old desk is gone and we got a new one, and we're gonna be making the ideal workspace. So yeah, this should be a good time. I got a bunch of supplies and stuff to make it as clean as possible and have it super organized. Hold on, this is not even focus. That's what we got working on. So yeah. Alright, yeah. So let's get to it. So for starters, I went with a FlexiSpot standing desk. It is the EC1. It is not the premium one, the one that you can customize the levels of the desk to your liking. I've stuck with just the basic up and down switches just because your boy ain't got it like that. Guys, this desk is almost done. All I gotta do is the wiring and hooking it up to the motor that's right there. And then we go into actually doing all the cable management. Got the desk set up, as you can see. The very next thing was getting the cable management trays. I had some cable management cages. Alright, so next on the desk, caging. I got these cages on Amazon. I think I can leave a link to the stuff that I got these cages supposed to keep all the power bricks that I have for my monitors, computers, etc. all organized. You can see it goes in the back of the desk. This one might be a bitch to put on because I have to screw these in, but needless to say, it'll keep everything super nice and organized. Zip tied some power strips onto the desk itself, so that way all the powering and everything that needed to be powered was just stuck directly to the desk. And those power strips, they have 10-foot long cables. I'll leave a link to those as well in the descriptions, and it's something I really like, the fact that they have such long cables, so I can, in theory, if I wanted to move the desk or I just needed access to power outlet, I'd be able to reach it. Now we have to add these power strips that I bought 2 of these. These have 10-foot long cords, and I plan to attach them to the physical desk itself, so that way they're like out of sight, out of mind. Everything's just all part of the desk, and hopefully that should help out with like the cable management when it comes to placing all the PC stuff on it. I actually want to braid these cables because they're driving me crazy and they're gonna be a nuisance. So I think might as well we start figuring this out, because I know there's gonna be a bunch of intricate cables that I have to do for as far as monitor and PC cables go. So yeah, we're gonna start off with this and see how it goes. It's turned out pretty well. Look at this. Huh? You couldn't tell these are 2 extension cords. Just finishing up right here, and then should be pretty good. So we got this cable going all the way through. Your 2 power strips. There's going to be powering the computer, monitors, PlayStation, everything that we can think of that needs power is going to be powered by these 2 power strips underneath the table that are going to be stored with these cages. But we'll get to that very soon. In the cable management in my previous desk, something that I was trying to clear up, first of all, was all right. It was passable. But it's just a lot of jerry-rigging everything. And so something that I was looking forward to with this desk, cages, these cable management cages, to just make sure that everything stays organized and put together. So this is the part, dang, I look greasy. So this is the part of the video where I feel like having a power drill would come in handy so well. Getting these cages in, I'm thinking around here maybe. I don't know, but I have to pre-make the holes or just get the holes in at once. Oh man, this is gonna be a little bit tough. Not entirely sure what I'm gonna do, but this is what I'm looking at right now. I didn't have access to a drill in the first part of the video, so I was using a screwdriver. I got the first screw in, but then the second one Update! I was using a screwdriver, but ended up stabbing myself through my finger, bleeding quite a bit. So I managed to find this. It should work wonders. Nope. That's not what I meant to do. Okay, maybe this drill bit might be a little too small. Got the cages on. Cages are on. Took me a second, but they're finally on. That's more like it. Got the power strips on, and then the very next thing I wanted to do was just pull out the cable management braided cables. I braided the 2 extension cord power cables with the braided cable. Just so I can basically gauge and see how difficult it was going to be. It was relatively easy. It took a little bit of time to do, just to make sure you had it wrapped around the cable properly. And that was a big thing about the reason why I wanted to upgrade to a new desk. Just because my old desk was fine, but it was just for one, it was a set height, and sometimes like I feel like I just wanted that extra inches upwards, and like so I can, you know, be a little bit more cozy and not so much like looking down and putting so much pressure on my neck or on my back or on my pussy and my crack. All right, guys, I got it plugged in and it's going down. It's so tall. Everything's coming along together. Sweet. So now we just have to basically set up the whole entire table with like the cables, the monitors, PC, everything. After I secured the cable cages, the very next thing that made sense to me was to put up the monitors, since I was going to be putting the desk upright. So I flipped it over, put the desk upright, and I set up the monitors by myself. I had to be like super careful. I had the monitors placed in the other room, make sure that the screens were protected and they were not capable of falling to the floor and just basically breaking on me. My goodness, by the grace of God, we got the monitors on. Oh my God. That was nerve-wracking. I was just so nervous. Removed the hidden cable compartments on the mounts, which, believe it or not, my mount comes with hidden cable compartments. So all of the cables that hook up to the monitors, so the display port, the HDMI cord for my console if I want to hook it up to be able to play it on my gaming monitor, auxiliary port to hook up to the speakers, power cords, all of that, we run it through the mount itself, so that way they're out of sight and you don't see cables hanging from the side or from behind of the computer, which is super nice because like we want to get that super nice and clean cable management. Keep it as controlled as possible, apart from say the keyboard and the mouse and the headphones. Those are givens. You can't hide those. So yeah, guys, this is my setup that I'm currently rocking with at the moment. I have an Acer. I forgot the brand of this monitor is an Acer. I also have a monoprice monitor, both 144 hertz, 2K. We have a Thermatake mechanical keyboard. And this is my rig, just in case if you guys were curious about it. But these are the things that I was mainly excited about right here. The braided cables, just so I can manage the cables and it can be a lot more cleaner. Yeah, guys, so this is the setup that we currently have at the moment. I'm super excited about it. I'm really happy how it turned out. Took me forever, but honestly, I would love to do something like this again. I don't know if I know anybody who is gonna upgrade their setup to this extent at the moment, but once I do, I'll see if I can make a video about it and make it as even more in-depth too than what I did for this one. But now that I have this, I'm looking forward to editing videos for you guys. Now I'm starting my streams again. I'm so close to start the streams properly. I have okay Wi-Fi at the moment. That's the thing that's holding me back right now. I'm waiting for fiber to be installed in the area that I'm living in currently. But once they install it, I think we should be good to go. I'm still gonna give it a test run just because I've upgraded a bunch of my stuff and I think I can handle the streams a little bit better now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. You guys want to see more stuff like this, feel free to leave a comment down below, like it. I'll do my best to see if I can get y'all another video like this. So yeah, it's been great. Peace.